Okay, fella, what we got here, mate?
Right, okay, it's a Sachs engine out of a Messerschmitt KR200, but I thought it's a two-stroke. Basically, to me, it looks like a scooter.
Well, we'll have a look, see if we can put some magic back into it. Shall we see if we can have a look at the top end for you?
Yeah, come on, let's get the top off.
Basically, we'll start by removing the carburetor. That one's loose. These will be 14s, I think, here, bud.
Okay. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. Look.
We got a little crack there. Somebody's over-tightened this in its life. So.
Well, that looks like that's an old fracture there, because it's all dirty around the. Around the split.
We'll make a template to hold it in place, and then we'll just put a little V, top and bottom, and get aluminium welded in.
Yeah. Do you want to do the heat?
Yeah, we'll get it a go, bud. It's mainly there where the thread is.
Yeah, that's it.
That is solid, that is, kid.
It is, isn't it?
That's tight.
Yeah. I'm just going to keep these on.
Yeah, man. Hopefully now. These.
Okay.
Should, that one.
Oh yeah, it's completely gone, hasn't it? It's had the thread out of it.
Yeah. We'll have to re-tap that one.
Yeah. Okay, hold on.
I'll put it straight underneath, mate.
There we go.
Let it cool down, eh, mate?
Yeah.
Right.
What's happened with this engine is it's been kept running. It's had loads and loads of just rough roadside repairs, and we're fighting against that. So what's going to happen now is, as we get into it, and as Hodge does a bit of work on it, we're going to put all of that right, so it'll be as good as new again. Okay, here's the first of the moments of truth.
Here's a money shot.
Right, let's just have a look in there.
Oh, that's okay. Yeah, there's nothing been up there.
That's good. So, in fact,
just needs decoking.
The cylinder head may have a bit of debris around there, products of combustion, but actually that will probably clean up okay.
It's going there, you can see it's starting to come in.
A little bit over that side. I'll try not to get your teeth.
Yeah, you can hit my teeth, just I'll break the fit. There you go, it's gone, it's gone.
Okay.
Now you ready for this one?
Right, okay, here we go.
Up and square.
And then the gasket's just caught on there.
You got it? It should. That should come off. It's right there.
So I guess the problem with sometimes taking these barrels off is because you've got inlet and exhaust ports in there.
Yeah.
If the piston ring opens up into it.
Yeah, if you turn that slightly and it opens, the end of the ring will jump into the and
prevent the barrel from coming up.
Yeah.
So actually, piston ring position is absolutely critical on the two-stroke engine.
On a two-stroke, yeah.
There we are.
There you go. Right, first thing to look at.
What's that barrel like?
The barrel looks good.
Actually, that does look really good. That's better than I can have hoped for.
Yeah.
And also, there is our reason why we had no compression. It's because these two top piston rings have actually just stuck in with the products of combustion, just passing down. It's become kind of gluey and it's stuck the piston rings in, so there's been no compression.
That mark there is a seizure.
Ah, okay.
That mark is a seizure. When we was taking it apart, I told you the problem you normally get with his exhaust on two-stroke being hot. So if you hold the barrel where it's supposed to be, which is there.
That's where the exhaust port is, that's where it's got hot, and that's where it's seized up.
Yeah. Yeah. All I'll just do, basically, use an old set of feeler gauges.
Yeah.
Just run it down the side of it, and as I spin it round, push up, spin it round, and it should. It's just the easiest way to do it for us, I find, with these.
Nice little trick.
And then round.
Right, so This is the piston ring, and what happens is when it's around the piston, it goes into the barrel and clamps together like that to help provide a gas-tight seal. The reason there are 3 of them is to make sure that you do get that gas-tight seal, because one of them will allow combustion to go down past the gap. So what we do now is we check
The end gap.
the end gap. So it's the distance between this end and that end of the piston ring. We do that by placing that into the barrel.
And then basically
Get it level.
get it level. I normally use a piston, and then we just look. Obviously we'll run the feeler gauges through it. Can you see the gap?
Yeah, I can see a gap there.
That gap's too big.
Yeah. Does that mean the barrel's scrap?
No. The piston rings are designed to wear
Okay.
before the barrel. Them on a spring.
Right, okay. So we'll get away with keeping that barrel,
Yeah.
but new piston rings and a new piston.
Hopefully all we have to do is take the piston out and put a feeler gauge down the side of the barrel and the piston just to check for clearance.
All right.
And then if that's okay, that is reusable. Just wants cleaning up.
Okay.
Just wants cleaning up.
Fantastic. Okay, I'll tell you what, once you get it all cleaned up and inspected a bit more, give us a shout. I'll come back and let's take a look and see where we're going with it.
Yeah, okay, no
All
worries,
right.
mate. Yeah.
Fantastic.
Sound.
All right. I'll
Leave
see you in
it
a
with
bit.
me then, bud.
Take
Thank
it
you,
easy.
mate.
See you
Bye.
later.
Bye.